Perfect.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the live stream, resuming the docket, and the court is calling case number SP 9572391, Delisha Driscoll, no insurance, count 2, that same ticket, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and U 451-45918, same defendant, entering a vacant dwelling without the owner's written permission. All matters are scheduled for trial. Is Delisha Driscoll in the virtual courtroom? If so, please say your name for the record.
Delisha Driscoll.
Thank you, Ms. Driscoll. And the court is also calling Mohammed Rida, case number SP 116-35401, Mohammed Ibrahim Rida.
Yes.
And the charge is driver's license expired. Also SP 118-40231, same defendant, driving the wrong way on a one-way street. Mr. Rida, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Mohammed Rida.
Mr. Rida, are you able to join with your video camera, sir?
Yes.
Would you please?
Yes. We get turned on.
Thank you, Mr. Rida. Thank you. And who is representing Ms. Driscoll and Mr. Rida for the record? Ms. Barrett, you're muted.
Melita Barrett on behalf of them. Judge, Ms. Driscoll, well, on behalf of both defendants, I don't know that the police officer might have been here on one of those cases, so I'm not sure that that's ready.
The information that I have is that the police.
Just the U ticket, Your Honor.
Oh, just the U ticket in
Yes.
For Ms. Driscoll? Okay, and is the officer here on Ms. Driscoll's other matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Ms. Driscoll, for you, the court can dismiss one of your matters. That's the U ticket, U 451-45918, entering a vacant dwelling without the owner's written permission. We can dismiss that matter because the officer has failed to appear. Is that correct, Ms. Barrett and Ms. Lurs?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so only that one matter for you, Ms. Driscoll. And for you, Mr. Rida, the officer in both your matters has failed to appear. Is that correct, Madam Clerk?
Your Honor, the officer did appear first thing this morning, but has logged off and has not returned and did not leave a number.
And it is now 11:28. So I don't know what happened there, Mr. Rida, because the officer had checked in, but he is no longer with us and did not leave any information regarding his whereabouts, nor did the court give him permission to leave. And so, is there a motion, Ms. Barrett?
Make a motion that the matter be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Rida, your matters are being dismissed without prejudice for lack of a complaining witness. Now that means, sir, the people may bring them again. The court is merely dismissing them because the officer failed to appear. Is Mr. Rida going to have any mandatory Secretary of State fees, Madam Clerk?
Let me look, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Rida, do you have any questions, sir?
No, thank you.
All right, sir, you may disconnect. Now for Ms. Driscoll, Ms. Barrett, one of her matters, Ms. Driscoll, I'm sorry, one of her matters was dismissed, but the other two matters, how are we proceeding? Because the officer is.
That's the one. That's the one that the prosecutor was checking on.
Oh, okay. And what
Okay.
was she checking? The officer?
She was talking to them to see if they were ready to go.
Okay, Ms. Driscoll, we're gonna put, oh, I don't know. Is that Officer Ambrose? Are you on Ms. Driscoll's matter, sir?
He's still connecting, Your Honor. And Your Honor, Madam Prosecutor did say we were ready to go on Driscoll.
Okay, so that's a trial?
I don't know if it was a trial or if it was a plea.
Yes, it is.
Okay, Corporal Ambrose.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I understand we're going to trial with Ms. Driscoll, is that right?
Yes,
Okay, it's gonna be just a moment then. We have about 4 quick pleas that we're going to take before doing this trial.
okay,
So we're gonna put you back in the breakout room.
okay.
Where, Madam
Yeah,
Clerk?
we're
where we-
putting him in the waiting room.
Okay, we're gonna put you in the waiting room, and Ms. Driscoll, we're gonna put you there too. You will be going to trial this morning, all right? Okay, all right, so we're gonna call Nicole Rogers next. Nicole Rogers. And that case is SP 118-25261. Nicole Beverly Rogers. No insurance. And count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is date and time for trial in both matters. Is Ms. Rogers in the virtual courtroom? If
She has
so,
not-
she's not. What happened to her?
No, it's not letting her out.
Oh.
I'm gonna close the breakout rooms, Your Honor, and trying to get everybody out at one time. And then
Okay,
Excuse me, Judge, would you mind if I ran to the restroom right quick?
okay, we're on the live stream, so Madam
I'm sorry.
Clerk, can we give Ms.